Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes. This is an open collab hosted by Jill Norwood. More information in the description of this video. I'm Emilee, and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So I've started an interesting project. This is my husband's grandmother's recipe book. They're all beautifully handwritten recipes, but as you can see, it's in very poor condition. So I have started an adventure to remake this recipe book so that I can have some fun with the recipes, but also to make them more accessible for family to read and enjoy. So I went to the copy shop and I got some help to copy these. There's still some of them hard to read, but I think they're very interesting and pretty. I'm going to fill this heirloom cookbook binder with them. I'm not sure exactly how yet, but I've had this binder in my stash for some time. It's a copyright 1999 publication. Quite nice. And I've started to use this cutout collage book. I will link to more information about this collage book. I got permission from the creator to share this with you. I've cut out a lot of things from this book already, and I've started to make embellishments for the heirloom cookbook. Let me show you what some of the cutouts look like. The paper is just kind of like a magazine paper. These are what they look like when you first cut them out of the book. There's such a nice variety of images, and a lot of them are older images, which will go great with my heritage recipes. So this is an example of what the cutouts in this collage book look like when you first cut them out. They're just on that regular paper, and some of them I've started to distress the edges. But because of the weight of the paper, I have mounted them on some scraps of paper and then inked edges. So here's some more examples of things I've cut out of the book. Cooking for Two, Good Housekeeping, some pretty tags, Keen's mustard, and they're all on just scrap paper. Then I did a few twinchies also with items cut from this beautiful book. These will help me embellish the book. And there's just slews of great images in this collage book, including a lot of tags that I mounted on paper. Look at this apron, isn't she cute? A very cute coffee pot. This is a beautiful apron. I mounted the apron on a paper, pop dotted it, then put it on a tag and added some fiber. I like the different shapes of tags here, some of them different styles of tags and shapes of tags. And blue and red are my favorite color combo, so I really like that. Couple more tags. Here's a doily that I just mounted a couple of different cutouts to create an embellishment. This is a stamped image that I used and then just built up an embellishment. This little button embellishment was sent to me from Lene at Fashionably 50-something and Beyond. We did a coupon book exchange, and I'll link to that up in the card so you can see more of what she sent me. A lot of the things she sent me I'm using with these embellishments as well. For example, this background paper she sent me. This is more of the paper Lene sent me with a cutout from this book. Same here. And then there were also some, I call them giant tags in the book that I cut out. I just mounted it on some Dollar Tree scrap pack paper and added some fiber or ribbon. And I think they're very pretty. And I can add recipe or journaling or something on top. So this is what I have been up to lately and this week, using this beautiful cutout collage book. Again, I'll link to the author's page on Amazon so that you can check out. She has themes of many other cutout collage books, and this was really fun to work with, so I wanted to share it this morning. Be sure to search the hashtag satmornmakes to see what everyone else has been up to this week. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.